Hi, 4th grade, it's Mrs. Boswell today, and we're going to be doing Module 3, Lesson 35, okay, and we're going to do multiplication, okay, multiplication, sorry, so you can see it a little better, multiplication with two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers with area model. So again, we're going to be doing Module 3, Lesson 35, multiplication with two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers with area model. And for me, this will be page 82 and 83. Remember, you can pause the video as you need at any time during the lessons. So I'm going to open mine up here. Pull it back just a little for you. Straighten it out. So here is our objective today. So we're doing Module 3, Lesson 35. Okay, and I'm on page 1 of my notes. And it says, I can multiply two-digit multiples of 10 by two-digit numbers using an area model. So we're going to be using this area model. And if you notice, I'm multiplying a two-digit number, which is 25, times a multiple of 10. So these are all in multiples of 10 today. Tomorrow, we will do two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Today, we're going to do a two-digit number by a multiple of 10 using our area model. And we've already done this. This is just a quick, not a quick review, but this is a review for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to take this as 30. This whole side, right, is 30. And I'm going to multiply it by 25. But remember, I can break this down. I'm going to break that double-digit number into two digits. I'm going to do the 10, which is 20, and then the 1s, which is 5. Okay? And remember, we're going to go in and we're going to multiply them. So everything across, we're going to multiply. Okay? So I'm going to do 30 times 20, and then I'm going to take 30 times 5. Okay? Well, I know that when I have two zeros, right, I'm going to add those two zeros to the end, but I'm going to multiply the two front numbers because I'm multiplying by 10. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then I added those two numbers. So 30 times 20 is 600. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for this over here. I'm going to do 3 times 5 is 15, and then there's 1 0, so I'll put 1 0 behind. So I took my 10s times each other, then my 10 and my 1 times each other. All right, and then I'm going to do our partial products over here. First, I'm going to do the 1s, right? And my 1s were 30 times 5, which was 150. Okay. And then I'm going to do my 10s, okay, which I got 600 over there. Then I'm going to add those together. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 30 times 25 is 750. All right, now we're going to move over here. Let's try the next problem. So again, I have a double-digit number, 35, times a multiple of 10, which is 60. Okay, and I'm going to use my area model again to model these. Okay, so I'm going to take that 10, that multiple of 10, which is 60, okay, and then I'm going to break apart that 34, that double-digit number. So the 10s would be 30, and then the 1s would be 4, okay? So these are my 1s, these are my 10s, okay? So first I'm going to multiply my 1s, okay? My 1 is 60 times 4, right? 6 times 4 is 24. Then I add that 0, right? So my ones is 240. Okay. All right, then I'm going to come over here, and now I'm going to do my tens. My tens is 60 times 30. All right, 6 times 3 is 18. And then how many zeros are behind it? 1, 2. I'm going to add 2 zeros. So my 60 times 30 is 1800. So I'm going to write that for my tens. And now I'm going to do, so those are my partial products. I got my ones and my tens done. Okay, and now I'm going to add those. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to carry that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 34 times 60 is 2040. Okay, these are pretty easy. Let's go ahead and move on to page 2. Okay. So again, let's review that. Remember, we are doing a 2-digit number multiples by a multiple of 10. Okay, so which one is my 10? If I'm looking at these two numbers, a multiple of 10 is 40. Okay, so there's my tens. Okay, then here's my 2-digit number, and I'm going to break that apart into tens and then ones. Okay, the 10 is 20. The ones is 5. Okay, so I'm breaking those apart. Then remember, I'm going to multiply everything across. So I'm going to do 40 times 20. Right, so 40 times 20. Then I'm going to go across, and I'm going to do 40 times 5 because that's my ones. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 zeros behind it. Love tens, they make it so easy. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, plus I have a 0 here, so I have another 0 behind it, so that's 200. So now I'm going to come over here and do my partial products. I've got my ones and my tens. Okay, my ones was 200. Okay, and then my tens was 800. And then I'm going to add those. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right? So 40 times 25 is 1,000. All right, we'll do one more, and then you're going to get started on your problem set. We're going to do 36 times 90. Well, which one of those is my multiple of 10? If you said 90, you're right. There's 90. Okay, which one is my double digit? You're right, it's 36. So I'm going to break 36 into the tens and then the ones. My 10 is 30. There's, okay, and then my ones is 6. Okay, and then remember, I'm going to multiply everything across. So I'm going to do my tens, 90 times 30. Then I'm going to multiply my ones, 90 times 6. Okay, then I'm going to multiply them. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus I have how many zeros? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, then I'm going to do 9 times 6 is 54. Plus how many zeros do I have behind it? Just 1. So my ones is 540. Okay, so I multiplied across with my area model. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do my ones and then the tens, because we always start in the what place value first? The ones when we multiply. Okay, so my ones was 540, and then my tens was 2,700. Ooh, Miss Boswell, that almost looks like a 9. I better fix that. All right, now let's go ahead and add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. I'm going to carry that 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer of 36 times 90 is 3,240. Please take your time, 4th grade. Really follow each step using that area model. That area model is our super easy way of solving it. It's one of those good strategies.